Want to own a piece of Bitcoin, the digital asset that's outperformed nearly every single traditional investment over the last decade? Whether you're looking to hedge against inflation or just want in on the future of finance, now is the time to start. Bitcoin has gone from just a few cents to tens of thousands of dollars over the last decade. It's limited, it's digital, and a lot of people see it as the future of money, or even a long-term way to grow their wealth. In this video, I'll be showing you exactly how to buy Bitcoin on the Robinhood app in just a few taps. It's fast, it's beginner friendly, and you can start with as little as $1. Let's get right into it. The first step that you need to take before you can actually buy Bitcoin is create a Robinhood account if you haven't already. I have a sign up link below, and you will get a free stock worth up to $200 just for signing up and linking your bank account. So once you sign up and you're in the app, the first thing you're going to see is your current balance. And what we're going to do to buy Bitcoin is click on this crypto icon at the bottom here. So it's going to be the second icon from the left. So click on that. So once you come to this crypto page, you're going to see how much you have in crypto. I currently have a little over $2,000. You can see the top movers here. So Comp, Pepe, XLM. You can see some other holdings that you have. You can scroll down, you can explore more crypto. You can see Ethereum, XRP, etc. You can learn more about crypto here. And you can see some news articles on crypto as well. So let's say you want to buy some Bitcoin. So what you're going to do is click on buy crypto here. So click on that. And we're going to choose the cryptocurrency, and today it's going to be Bitcoin, so we're going to click on Bitcoin here. So once you click on that, you're going to come to this page here, which is going to be pretty much your buy page. So let's go through this step by step. So at the top, you can click on the market order icon. And you can see you have a lot of options here. You have market order in USD, which is buying Bitcoin in dollar amounts starting at 11 cents, and market order in BTC, which is buying Bitcoin in coin amounts starting at 0.0001 BTC. So for today's example, let's use market order in USD, so click on that. And we're going to buy $5 in Bitcoin, so type in $5. Now you can see underneath the $5, there's an icon that says one time, so you're going to click on that. What this is you can choose the frequency of how often you want to buy into Bitcoin. So you can see here you can buy it one time, so just one time, every day, which is 7 days a week, every week on Monday, every 2 weeks on Monday, or every month on the 23rd. Now in investing, we call this dollar cost averaging, which is buying into a specific stock or fund, no matter the price, on a set schedule. This is one of the best ways to build wealth long term, so if you want to do that, you can as well. But for today's example, let's just do one time here. And you can click review after you put in the amount that you want to buy, so click review. So once you get to this confirmation page, you're going to see that you're buying $5 of Bitcoin, which is currently priced at $102,000. The BTC amount that you will get is 0.00004877. The buy spread is 3 cents, and the total cost that occurs to you is $5. So if you're ready to buy, you're just going to swipe up to submit. And you can see here that the order was fulfilled. Your market order to buy 0.00048878 BTC was filled. You can see how much was purchased, the BTC price, and the total cost, which is $5.01. Click on done, and that's it. So since you bought $5, you're going to come down here. You're going to see your holdings here in Bitcoin, so click on that. And you can see the holdings in your position here. I've had some since $46,000, which is great. But now let's say you want to sell some Bitcoin. What you're going to do is click on this sell icon right here. So click sell. And it's going to be pretty much the same thing. You're going to click on market order, and you're going to click on market order in USD. And you're going to click on $5. Let's say you want to sell $5. You're going to click on review here. And then you're going to swipe up to submit, and that's literally how you sell Bitcoin. Now, I do want to mention that when you buy Bitcoin on Robinhood, you don't actually own the physical coins themselves. Instead, you own a record of the Bitcoin that is held by Robinhood, and you have the right to the value of that Bitcoin. Robinhood essentially acts like a custodian for your Bitcoin, but you can still benefit from the price appreciation of Bitcoin, and you can sell this Bitcoin for USD on Robinhood. And that's it. That's literally how you buy and sell Bitcoin on Robinhood. Like I mentioned earlier, use the sign up link below, and you will get a free stock worth up to $200 just for using my link and linking your bank account. If you're new here, my name is Paul, and I talk all things money, finance, and investing on this channel. So if you liked today's video and it was helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more future content just like this. Your life is a masterpiece, so let's unlock your full financial potential together. And with that, I will catch you in the next video. Take care.